Hi friends, welcome to Chana Creatives. I alphabet rhyme. I says, what is I phonic sound? I says E. I says E. E. Igloo. In. This is an Ibrahim. What his name? Ibrahim. He lives in igloo. Igloo. He lives in igloo. Ibrahim looks at the pictures of insects. What is the picture is there inside the book? Insects. Insects. He started write with an ink pen. Which pen? Ink. Ink pen. But there is no ink in his pen. What is not there in his pen? Ink. Ink. He started fills the ink in his pen. So he has taken the ink bottle and he started fills the ink in his pen. What he started fill in his pen? Ink. What happened for Ibrahim? Splash. The ink splashes on his nose. The ink splashes on his nose. So he begins to itch his nose. He begins to itch his nose. When the ink splash on his nose, then he begins to itch his nose. His nose. Then he started saying like that. How the making is sound? Ibrahim like that. Okay, then let's sing along with me. I rhyme. How Ibrahim was singing I rhyme. I'm itching on my nose, on my nose. Ink on Ibrahim, ink on Ibrahim. I'm itching on my nose, on my nose. Ink on Ibrahim, ink on Ibrahim. E. So, did you enjoy with the I alphabet rhyme and then phonic sound, right? Okay, we'll meet you next video.